Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be creating this 80s type of song, kind of inspired by Stranger Things. So I got this Stranger's vintage sample pack, which got some great sounds for this type of song. So yeah, I'm not used to making songs like this, so it's gonna be interesting. So I think I'm gonna go with slower tempo, like 100. And let's just start with a simple beat. I don't know. Let's use this kick instead. Maybe like this. Yeah, that's gonna be our drums for now. And let's actually add some hi-hats as well. Let's just create a simple village 2 steps and then use piano roll and change the velocity so it sounds more realistic. And let's add that in the playlist. I know most of you are probably not interested in making like 80s type of beats, but I thought it's gonna be fun, so why not give it a shot? I always like to explore new styles of music, and I think it's a good practice as well, so even if you're making future house or hip-hop, it's always good to kind of try different styles. And then you can use that knowledge from the different style to use in your own. Some cowbell. Yeah, maybe we can add that as well. Maybe a crash. Let's add the bass now. So yeah, this sample pack, these presets are inspired by Stranger Things, the TV series. If you don't know it, you should probably check it out. And they are just a lot of fun to mess with. Especially if you are a fan of the series, it's just funny to hear these sounds that they use in the soundtrack, like this one. Actually, just yesterday at night, I made a beat using this arpeggio, so go check out the beat, link is in the description, it's on my SoundCloud. But now, I want to make something different, so let's just find a good bass. Not sure what's gonna work with this beat. Maybe something like this. Let's sidechain it as well. So let's put it on track 7, put the kick on track 1, and then just click on track 1 and go under track 7 and right click sidechain to this track. Make sure it's the right track, and then just put a limiter on track 7, change it to compressor, change this to 1 or whatever your kick is, and then change the threshold and ratio, and you get the sidechaining pretty much done. And I always mention in my tutorials that sidechaining is pretty much the most important mixing technique. When you use sidechaining, your bass and the kick won't overlap, so that's a great thing. So yeah, let's hear how it sounds with the bass. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let me actually try to do one more thing. Let's just select every other note and see if that would work for the bass. I mean, that sounds pretty good. We might change it later. For now, I'm gonna leave it like this and start with the melody. So yeah, for the melody, I have no idea what to do there. Actually, like this sound. Yeah, I think I have an idea here. So let's put it in the playlist and start making a melody. Maybe lower this a little bit. Sounds pretty good, actually. Sounds like an 80s song, kind of. Maybe we can do like an arpeggio right now. Let's just add a new sound. And this just goes to show how easy it is to make any type of music. If you get the right sounds, right samples, and just the right idea, you can really make anything. Yeah. No. Maybe a different sound for the pluck. Yeah, sounds good, the arpeggio. And one more thing I want to add is just like one long note of a like violin. So let's use Nexus for that. Right here, 70th string. Let's just put it on track 7 as well, so everything is sidechained. Let's see. Maybe we should actually make this to a melody. And maybe that's too many sounds, but let's actually change this to a pad instead. And yeah, I think we got it. And so yeah, here is the finished result of the song. Let's hear it. Let's hear the finished result. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think this was a fun experiment, you know, just to try making like a 80s song. And yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to press that like button or don't. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the last video I made. It was a collaboration with Music by Lucas. Actually, they gave me a shirt, which is really nice, so thanks to them. And yeah, check out my new song, inspired by Stranger Things, but it's a hip-hop beat. Check it out, it's on SoundCloud. And I hope you enjoyed this video, which was kind of an experiment. Making 80s song isn't what I do every day, but it was fun. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.